Hi, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create NoCRM.io leads from Facebook Lead Ads leads. To get started, click on Make a Zap and select your trigger app as Facebook Lead Ads. Connect your Facebook accounts if you haven't done so already, or select from the ones you've previously connected. If you have multiple business pages, make sure you select the right one. Mine is NoCRM.io. And of course, selecting the correct form you want to retrieve your leads from. So what Zapier is currently doing, it's actually retrieving my most recent lead generated, and it's going to show me that lead to make sure that everything looks okay. In my form, I've opted to only retrieve information such as the email address and the full name. Choose your action app as NoCRM.io and select Create a Lead. Connect your NoCRM.io account. If you haven't done so already, go to your NoCRM.io account, select the admin panel, webhooks and API, and go to your API keys to generate a new key. Go back here, click Save and Continue. So now I'm going to set up my NoCRM.io lead. Naturally, we would need a title, and I'm going to go with the full name that I've retrieved. As for the description, make sure that you write in all the information. So full name, and email address. So you actually click on this plus button and select the field that you want to retrieve from your Facebook lead into your NoCRM.io lead. So here's the email address. As for the user email, this is completely optional, but you can actually create that lead and have it automatically assigned to a specific user in your NoCRM.io account. I'm just going to click on My User. As for the tags, you want to make sure that you track your leads' origins. So with the tags, I'm gonna type in Facebook ads, and that way I can know exactly how many leads I've created from my Facebook ads. Okay, so this is what the lead is gonna look like in my system. You have the title, the description, and my user email. Okay, let's go back and see if I actually created that lead. There we go. So we have the title, full name, email address, my user owner, as well as the tags. Perfect, let's go back. Click on Finish and name your Zap. And turn it on. Thank you guys for watching.